Welcome to How to Do It in 5 Minutes. Without any delay, let's get started with our topic today. Today we'll learn how to hide and unhide the files in your smartphone without using any third-party softwares. Step 1 is to launch your smartphone's file manager. Then click the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen to create a new folder. Give it a name you like and don't forget to add a dot in front of the folder name you choose when giving it a name. Then click OK. A confirmation window will appear informing you that folders with names that begin with a dot will be hidden by default. When you click OK, you'll see that the created folder has vanished. It doesn't appear in the file manager. Let's attempt to transfer our files to that secret folder. Choose the file you want to move, then click Move. Our newly formed folder won't appear in the file manager's list of folders because it is already hidden. To reveal the folder, select Show Hidden Files from the More menu. Once our hidden folder is visible, paste the file inside of it. Return to the file manager after pasting so you can see our folder. To hide it, select the Don't Show Hidden Files option from the three dots in the top right corner, and the folder will vanish once more. Now close the file manager and reopen it to find that our folder is no longer available in the list of folders. The folder will become visible once more if you click the three dots in the upper right corner and choose the option to expose hidden files. Moreover, you can examine the files contained in that folder. And to make existing folders invisible, simply rename them and put a dot in front of their names. It won't appear in the folder list again after that. Use the same procedure as above to reveal it. That's all. You can easily hide and unhide the files in your smartphone using the above-mentioned steps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more similar videos. Your subscription means a lot to us.